Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my reverting back to curly hair video. If this is your very first time on my page, then thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment and like down below. So my hair has been straight for about 2.5 weeks now. And as you can see, it's super poofy now and it's just feeling a little dry and it just needs to be washed. I'm ready to get these curls back and make sure that I don't have any heat damage. So all I did was just mix 2 oils together, coconut oil and olive oil, which is the same thing that I do every time I pre-poo. I mix these 2 oils together and then I sit them in my sink in hot water and let the 2 oils melt in a bowl. And then I'm just going to apply that to my hair section by section. I'm also going to add in my Sheamoisture Deep Treatment Mask. I'm going to use this since it's for dry, damaged hair. It heals, grows, and strengthens. Since I did add some heat to my hair, I just want to make sure that I add moisture back in and add some protein back into my hair. And then of course after that I'm going to wash my hair and deep condition as usual. Alright, so let's get started. Curls are trying to come back. Now I'm just adding my deep conditioner and hopefully that will really make them come all the way back. So I decided to style my hair in a twist out. I already have a twist out tutorial on my channel if you want to check that out. So as you can see, I have no heat damage. There's no straight pieces, and I'm really happy about that. My curls are back, they're popping, they look great. This is actually like 3-day hair, and my curls are still really defined. So if you want to see my straight hair routine, including my tips, tricks, tools, and products, then make sure that you check out my previous video where I show my entire straight hair routine, and to make sure that you don't have any heat damage. So that's the end of this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!